nĩ kuma na Labor Day. Labor Day of course nĩ ĩkagwo gũkũ tukona aruti a wĩra a thirikari harĩa magĩthiĩ na normally kuna kuanga pale hivyo wanaambiwa we have removed this sijui deductions sijui nini ikoragwo ĩga time ka aruti a wĩra harĩa gũthi kubambwo wanaambiwa tumewafanyia hivi and normally the president attends. Yeah, the president attends, and of course, if the president is there, then the deputy president should be there. That is an official function. Todo it's a public holiday. Na muthenya wa umuthi we have witnessed something yakoro igetuthura direct imwe na muno guku nenda-ini todo the president was presiding over Labor Day in Nairobi in the absence of the deputy president. Well, the deputy president was somewhere in Kenya. Recently, in the recent days, and tukoretwo tukiona the deputy president ni akoretwo makigeria kumwambararia nigetha a fit into the Mount Kenya kingpin role, lakini imekuwa ikigonga mwamba. He hindi makoragwo na mĩcemanio nginya akuria Karen, office of the deputy president, mageta andu a Kiambu, mageta andu a Kirinyaga forum, Meru forum, all those. Lakini it seems that zote hakuna zenye zilikuwa zina work because the deputy president's influence in Mount Kenya is still, if not zero, less than 20%. Na ni undu uhoro ucio ngona nikio arageria gukorwo akigwo kando because he has nothing to offer right now. Tha ici kiongo-ini kia William Ruto ni uria egukorwo harmonize andu. This kingpin from this region no ngihota kumobilize andu, no ngihota and he has failed. And uhoro uyu ni utumaga rimwe ndecirie it was a very big and rushed decision gukorwo magithura Kindiki eta a deputy president because that guy doesn't fit as a politician. He doesn't fit in that position, in short. Timoteti. And that is why he's being humiliated to that point. Ate muthenya wa umuthi rais etirwo jukwaa-ini ni prime cabinet secretary.
Ili tumkaribishe Mheshimiwa Rais aje ahutubie wafanyikazi wa taifa letu. Hebu tumkaribishe kwa makofi. 1, 2, 3. Asante sana. Thank you very much.
Hindi tuonire deputy president Kindiki akiaria hado maita meri ni akoretwo akira andu a media mahorie kamera, and the third time he was trying to do that ahoreirio mic.
Tukue najua sisi hii sehemu yetu watu ya Mount Kenya huku sisi ni watu wa nidhamu, tusianze kuvurugana. So vile tafanya ati nilisikia walisema ati nifanye ile kitu.
And you look at some of these things that are going on and you wonder, was it a rushed decision to bring Kindiki on board? Do you maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ? You can comment down there and tell us what you think about that. Because kũringana na ũrĩa kũronekana thaa ici, he is way out of the picture. Way out of the picture. Comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.